Welcome to Dad's DeFi Space. I'm Kevin. Thanks for spending some time with me today. We're going to look at some charts and we're going to talk about the future and we're going to talk about how to make the best decisions for the largest gains this bull market. Again, please like and subscribe and ping that notification bell so you'll never miss a video. We appreciate each and every one of you. When you do your research for your altcoin positions, you need to be looking at the team, you need to be looking at utility, you need to be looking at the narrative and kind of the buzz is what I would call it. Like how many people are talking about it, what is being said about that token on crypto Twitter, on Discord, on Telegram, wherever you can find the information. But we also have to look at the tokenomics. Is a bunch of tokens about to be unlocked that VCs or early investors or even influencers have their hands on for a lot cheaper prices than many of us are retail investors get these tokens for. It's just something to be aware of as you make decisions on your spot and in your liquidity pools and whatever else you decide to put your hard-earned capital into. So taking a turn, I now want to start talking about the 5 rules. There are 5 rules that I believe will carry a crypto investor a long way in the crypto markets. This is something that I've presented before, and it's something that I would like to present again in a live stream, because I think we're at a point now where there's going to be a lot of newer people that come into the market. If they come across a video like this, please take heed. If you're not new to the market, I think you know what's about to happen if you've been through a bull market before. We're going to be looking at those 5 rules of crypto. And the first and foremost is only invest what you can afford to lose. If we put in money that we need, money for your rent, money for your mortgage, money for your child's college tuition, money to pay your credit card bills, you can't. When you put too much of your capital into play, your decisions are going to become more and more emotional. So only invest what you can afford. What that means is whatever we put into the crypto markets, heck, whatever we put into the stock markets, that money is gone as far as I'm concerned. And you should think about it the same way. When we are not thinking about our money emotionally, we make better investing decisions. All right, so for our second point, we have to have a plan. And when I say have a plan, that means you need to have a buy strategy, a sell strategy, a investment strategy as far as is this a short-term, mid-term, long-term play? Do you know how risky the tokens are? How are you taking profits quickly? Are you letting some of it ride? There's so many different things to think about. So to do this, you have to be unemotional. And I'm a very, very emotional dad. I'm a very emotional person. Humans are emotional beings. We can't have FOMO and do well in these markets. Patience is key. So again, I know it was just said, but do your own research. Those of you out there, make sure that you know that you can do a lot of your own research for free out there with websites we have highlighted on our webpage, on our YouTube channel. Look into bitcoin.com, DeFi Llama, the Fear and Greed Index, Altcoin Season Index, TradingView charts and indicators. If you ever need any of these tools, please use our affiliate links below. Help support the channel. And again, what you're looking at right now, what you're looking at right now is actually the 4-year cycle chart of Bitcoin. And as you can see, we're in 2024, so we're about right here. And what do you notice? We should be getting close to hitting that parabolic phase again, right? Which would be, well, 2025 into 2026. That's next year. Something to think about, ladies and gentlemen, as we continue on. All right. So next is use a cold storage device. Now, don't keep all your crypto on a SEX. And by a centralized or SEX exchange, I'm talking about Coinbase, Crypto.com, Kraken. Those are the ones for America. If you're in other countries, it might be Binance, Bybit, or many others out there. Some of my favorite hardware wallet is a Tangem hardware wallet. They use a card, looks like this, so simple, so easy to use. It's a credit card pretty much, and that is your private keys. So easy to use and also very secure. We have links below to give you a little bit off the price, and you can use them if you'd like to support the channel. If affiliate links are not your thing, please still go out and get a hardware wallet, whether it's a Tangem or a Ledger, whatever. But because we play around with a lot of DeFi, we also have to use hot wallets. And so safety is of the utmost importance, right? Safety is of the utmost importance when we are conducting our business in these markets. Next, don't trust but verify all information. Anything in this market can be a scam. I have seen many myself, people I've known online who've lost life savings just not being careful. And not just people who are new in this space, people who are not new in this space. It's crazy out there. It really is. I hope this information today has been useful for you. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Check out our links and be sure to download and sign up for the free DeFi course below in the description. And if you're interested in really perfecting your DeFi skills, check out the UIG Investor Group, 20% off the first month if you use my link below. And until next time, peace.